Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering devices and positioning the tripod where you'll shoot. Plug in or confirm batteries are above half charge because low power can break pairing. Once done, unfold legs and lock the spread so the mount is stable. You want minimal wobble. Make sure the phone clamp is secure and level. Next, press and hold the Bluetooth remote's power button for 2 to 3 seconds to enter pairing mode so your phone can discover it. You'll now pair the remote. Open your phone's Bluetooth menu and scan for the tripod remote name, often a short label like tripod remote. Tap it to pair and accept any permission prompts. This lets the remote act as a shutter. After pairing, mount your phone into the clamp, centering the camera lens over the tripod head so the weight is balanced and you avoid tilt. If you plan landscape shots, rotate the mount and rebalance. Otherwise, proceed to framing and adjustments. You're ready to shoot. Use the remote's shutter button for single photos and hold for continuous bursts or trigger your camera app's timer for delayed shots. Make small height and tilt adjustments, then lock the knob so nothing drifts during capture. If the remote won't pair, power cycle it and your phone. Once done, reset the remote by holding its power for about 10 seconds and rescan. If mounting issues persist, check clamp rubber pads for debris, clean them, reseat the phone, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.